What to check before you cancel an order on Uber Eats. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats on your device. Here, simply click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on Orders. And you will find your order here if you have an active order, and check if the merchant has accepted the order yet. If the merchant has not accepted and your food is not ready, you can cancel as you want, and it's free cancellation. But if you want to cancel and your food is cooking, what you can do is go back to your profile and click on Help. After you click on Help, you can click on Help with an order, and you can select that order and press on I want to cancel an order, and Uber Eats will get back to you and cancel your order. This is how to check before you cancel an order on Uber Eats. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.